Hi, it's Steve. Today we'd like to show you how to change the lint door hinge on your dryer. It's a really easy repair. Let me show you how we do it. Now before we begin this repair, the first thing we'll need to do is to disconnect power to the dryer. So you either pull it far enough forward that you can unplug it, or locate the electrical panel, turn off the appropriate breaker, or remove the appropriate fuses. Once we've done that, we can start the repair. Now our next step will be to open up that door and remove the lint screen. And we'll just set that aside. Then we're going to remove the two screws that secure the housing below to the main top. Use caution that we don't drop those down inside. Now next we need to release the spring clips that secure the top to the cabinet itself using a thin putty knife. Just fit into that gap until you feel the tension of the spring. Push in on it and lift up. Then we'll do the same on the opposite side. And we'll need to make sure that we have that door fully open so that we can lift that top up. Either somebody to support that or have it far enough against the wall that we can lean it against it. If not, you'll need to secure it with some type of a lanyard. You can actually go in through the screw hole by that lint filter housing. And we'll use one of the holes in the cabinet here to secure it. Now, if the old hinge is still intact, we'll need to remove it. So just support that door and using a pair of needle nose pliers, we'll squeeze together the bottom of that hinge and then push it up through the opening. Remove and discard the old hinge. And make sure that we slide that door onto the left-hand hinge. Carefully feed the right-hand one in from the top, and then just pull it back far enough. We can line it up with that rectangular opening. And press it firmly down into that opening until it snaps in place. We can then remove our support and lower the top. Be sure to open that door enough. We clear the corners of that top. Line it up even from side to side and press it down into place until those spring clips latch. You can close the door up again. Next, we'll reinstall those two screws in that lint filter housing opening. Again, use caution that we don't drop them down into that opening. Tighten them both securely. And then we can feed the lint filter back into place. Verify that the lid opens and closes smoothly. And then we can prepare to push the dryer back into place. We're now ready to push the dryer back into place, reconnect the power, and your repair is complete.